In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore all Outlook 2013 data files. If you want to protect your emails, contacts, calendar items, and other important Outlook information, creating a backup of your Outlook data file is a smart habit. This is especially useful before moving to a new computer, reinstalling Outlook, or simply making sure your information is safe in case something goes wrong. I'll walk you through the process slowly, so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Outlook 2010 on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main Outlook menu where you can manage account and data settings. Next, click Account Settings. When the menu appears, click Account Settings again. This will open a new window with several tabs that let you manage how Outlook stores your information. Now click the Data Files tab. Here, you'll see a list of the Outlook data files connected to your account. These files often contain your mail, calendar, contacts, notes, and tasks. Take a moment to select the specific file you want to back up. If you use more than one Outlook data file, make sure you choose the correct one before continuing. With the file selected, click Open File Location. This will open the folder on your computer where the Outlook data file is stored. In most cases, you'll be looking for a PST file, which is the standard Outlook personal data file used for backups. Once you see the PST file, click it to highlight it, then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut if you prefer. After that, go to the location where you want to save your backup. This could be another folder on your computer, an external hard drive, or another safe storage location. Open that location and paste the file there. That backup copy is what you'll use later if you ever need to restore your Outlook data. To restore it, you would return to this saved PST file and place it back where needed, or connect it again through Outlook, depending on your situation. A helpful tip is to store your backup somewhere easy to remember, and consider keeping an extra copy on separate storage for added safety. And that's how to back up and restore all Outlook 2013 data files.